Let's look at this problem. The sum of two natural numbers is 17,402. One of the two numbers is divisible by 10. If the units digit of that number is erased, the second number or the other number is obtained. What is the difference of these two numbers? The key part of this problem is to understand this. What does this mean? One of the two numbers is divisible by 10. It certainly means that its ones digit or the units digit is 0. It got to be something blah 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 and then 0, right? And maybe more digits here, right? It doesn't mean just 4 digits. Okay, and then in this statement it says if we cross out this units digit of this number, then the other number is obtained. This statement is equivalent to that the other number or the smaller number is 1/10 of the first number. Or let's put it in the other way. This number, which ends with a 0, is 10 times the other number, right? Then we can just set the smaller number. Set smaller number is A. And then this bigger number got to be 10A. And we know that the sum of these two natural numbers is this quantity. Therefore, we can set up an equation. We have 10A plus A equals 17,402. And this is 11A equals 17402. So we can solve this A. So let's do it. 17402 divided by 11. So it's 11 here, and 6, 4, we can put 5 here. So 55, that's 90. And then we put 8 here, that's 88. And then 22, that's a 2. 22. Therefore, we get A equals 1582. Now, what's the question? The question is about the difference of the two numbers, which means it's the difference of 10A and A. That is 9A, right? So we don't have to calculate this number, even if it's super easy. So now we'll see a trick here. So this 9A times 1582. Should we finish the full calculation to obtain the answer? My answer is no. You should not do it. We should save the time, because we know that when we multiply the unit digit 2 to this 9, we get a unit digit of 8, right? Therefore, this product got to be something blah 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 8. And then let's check the choices. We see that only D has something blah 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 8. Therefore, D is our choice. So this is a trick you should use as much as possible when you take the AMC 8, 10, or 12 tests, especially for the easier ones, the first 5 to 10 problems. This will certainly gain you some extra time to handle the harder problem in the second part. And even if when you read this problem, you should really spend, let's say, maybe a split of seconds just to take a glance of all the choices. We shall quickly notice that all these choices are very different. And look at the ones digit. This is 6, this is 8, this is 2, this is 0, and we have a second 2 here, right? And even if we have 2 2's here, even if we have this problem, we can still use an estimate to eliminate one of the answers. For example, in this problem, we have 9 times this 1500 something, right? So this is basically equivalent to or approximately 10 times 1500. It shall be slightly smaller than this, and we know that this is 15,000. Therefore, the D is a good choice. This is another way that you obtain the solution quickly. If you like this video, please give it a like and subscribe the channel. If you have questions, please leave a comment.